Hi there and welcome back. Microsoft Advertising is the second most popular search ad platform in the world. The current global market share is a bit less than 5%, but it is still converts into 1 billion unique users monthly who can become your buyers. Unlike many platforms that are mobile first, this ad solution is a desktop champion. In countries with high Windows usage on desktops like the USA, the UK, and Canada, its share could be within 13–18%, which is a lot in the modern smartphone-first world. The Microsoft Universal Event Tracking Tag, often called the Bing Pixel, is your window into the customer journey. By implementing it, you can capture every critical action, from the initial site visit and add to cart to the final checkout and purchase. This will help your business optimize campaign performance and clearly see which traffic sources are actually driving revenue. To start the setup, open your Checkify Plus admin panel and go to the Integrations section. Inside the Marketing Platforms tab, find Microsoft Ads and click the Connect button. Paste your tag ID into the corresponding field and confirm your action by clicking Connect again. Once saved, the integration becomes active instantly, and your checkout will begin sending the relevant events automatically. After completing the setup, it is recommended to verify that everything is working correctly. To test this, open the Buy Links section in your Checkify admin. Create or select any existing link, copy the checkout URL, and open it in your browser. Once the page loads, right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect. Then, open the Network tab at the top of the Developer Tools. In the filter field, type bat.bing.com and refresh the page. If the tracking is working correctly, you will see requests related to the Microsoft tag appearing in the list. This confirms that the UET tag is present on the page and that communication between your checkout and Microsoft Ads account is established. Alternatively, you may use an official Google Chrome browser extension called Bing Pixel Helper for tests. It will help you validate whether the pixel is installed and is firing properly on your pages. Simply open your checkout page and launch the extension. It will automatically detect the UET tag and show whether the events are being triggered correctly. Feel free to save this video if it helped you connect Microsoft Ads tracking with Checkify, and let us know if you need guides for other integrations. We'll cover those next. And I remind you, if you are already selling on Shopify, you can unlock this same high-converting functionality while retaining all the benefits of the Shopify ecosystem by installing Checkify Pro on your store.